Welcome to Bonifacio Global City, or BGC as most people call it, one of the most modern, clean, and vibrant places in the Philippines. If you're not from here, you might be surprised this is part of Metro Manila. It looks and feels like a city of the future, and today, I'm taking you on a relaxing walk through its impressive streets. Let's begin with first impressions: wide sidewalks, clean roads, and no messy wires hanging over you. That's because all the utilities here are underground, a rare sight in the Philippines. Every corner here feels thoughtfully designed, from pedestrian crossings to street art. BGC is more than just a place to live or work, it's a lifestyle. You'll notice how walkable everything is. Whether you're in a business suit or jogging gear, it just feels safe and comfortable to move around. And look at the greenery, small parks, well-placed trees, and open spaces that give you room to breathe. Right now, I'm passing by, insert any visible landmark like Bonifacio High Street, Sorrendra, or a recognizable mall. This area is always full of life, families, joggers, tourists, and sometimes even street performers. It's a spot where people slow down, grab a coffee, and just enjoy the moment. What I love about BGC is that it's a melting pot. You see locals, expats, business people, students, all blending into this urban canvas. The vibe is modern, yet chill. It's a great place for solo walks like this or to hang out with friends. Let's talk about the art. BGC is known for its public art, and you'll see murals, sculptures, and colorful installations everywhere. It's like an open-air museum, and it gives the city personality. You don't just walk through concrete buildings, you walk through creativity. Each mural tells a story. Some are fun, others are thought-provoking. But all of them make you stop and look. Now if you're wondering about food, this place is a paradise for food lovers. From street food style bites to fine dining, you'll find almost every cuisine here: Filipino, Japanese, Korean, Italian, Indian, you name it. And yes, there are tons of cafes if you're a coffee fan. Maybe after this walk, I'll grab a cup myself. You might also notice how clean and well-maintained the surroundings are. Security is visible, the streets are free from litter, and there's even dedicated bike lanes. In many ways, BGC is setting an example of how cities can be lived. If you're into shopping, this area won't disappoint. SM Aura Market, and countless boutique stores line the streets. But even if you're not shopping, it's fun to window shop and take in the modern architecture. Let me take a moment to talk about the history of this place. Believe it or not, BGC used to be a military camp of Fort Bonifacio. Over the years, it was transformed into this dynamic urban center. And the name Bonifacio. That's from Andres Bonifacio, one of the Philippines' national heroes. Now, look at these open spaces, families playing, kids running around, people walking their dogs. It's heartwarming to see a city that balances concrete and community. You feel the rhythm here, not just in traffic or noise, but in the way people live, move, and connect. Even though it's a business district, BGC doesn't feel too serious or cold. It feels alive. It invites you to explore. There's music in the air, friendly faces passing by, and that sense that the city is constantly evolving. For those into fitness, you'll find outdoor gyms, yoga sessions in the park, running tracks, and bike paths. Health and wellness are a big part of the lifestyle here. And did I mention the safety? One of the things many visitors notice is how safe they feel here, even when walking alone. That's a big deal, especially in a big city. Right now, I'm just soaking in the atmosphere. The buildings, the trees, the open sky above, it's peaceful. The kind of walk that helps you unwind. Every time I visit BGC, I discover something new, a new restaurant, a cool art installation, a quiet corner I never noticed before. It's that kind of place. Familiar, yet full of surprises. If you're ever visiting the Philippines, make sure BGC is on your list. It's not the beach or the mountains, it's a different side of the country. A look into what a modern Philippine city can be: efficient, clean, creative, and inclusive. So, As I continue my walk, I just want to say, thanks for joining me on this slow journey through Bonifacio Global City. Sometimes, we rush through life and miss these simple joys, walking with no destination, just being in the moment. I hope this little walk has given you a taste of what BGC is like, not just the buildings, but the feeling of being here. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and enjoy the walk. Cityscape at dusk running shoe.
11, 11.
Five.